Hello friends, my name is Trisha and today I am going to share a healthy recipe of whole moong dal sprout salad. So here are the ingredients. First of all, how to grow whole moong dal sprouts. So first you have to soak the whole moong dal in water for whole night. Okay, after that strain the water and place it in a warm place like a warm towel for another whole night. This eventually take 2 days to grow. After that you can boil it or you can eat it raw, but I prefer it to be boiled because after boiling it makes digestion better. So you boil it for 5 minutes, then strain it and your moong dal sprouts are ready. So this is moong dal sprouts and this is some boiled peanuts and some chopped cucumber and carrots, chopped onions, boiled sweet corn and chopped paneer and some curd. And here is like black pepper and some black salt, and here some chopped tomato, and you can add like lemon also, and you can add anything according to your taste. I like curd, so I am adding curd. So first we will add the whole moong dal sprouts in the bowl. Then we will add some boiled sweet corns. Then add some chopped cucumber and carrots. And some boiled peanuts. And chopped tomato. Chopped onions. Chopped paneer and some black pepper, some black salt and some curd. Okay, so we will mix this. Let us mix it. Here I mix this. Plate. Let me take out to the plate. So here our dish is ready. Here's some whole moong dal sprout salad.